In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to install the Zoom for Outlook add-in, schedule Zoom meetings right from Outlook, and keep everything in sync when plans change. The best and most reliable way to connect Zoom and Outlook is the Zoom for Outlook add-in. This add-in works with the Outlook desktop app and the web version, and it keeps your meeting details consistent across both. To install it, head to the Microsoft App Source or Outlook Marketplace, search for Zoom for Outlook, and select Add or Install. If you're part of an organization, there's a chance your IT team already deploys this add-in for everyone using a centralized manifest. So if you don't see the Add button, check whether it's been assigned to your account. Once the add-in is installed, scheduling is straightforward. Open Outlook, go to your calendar, and create a new meeting as you normally would. In the Meeting Compose window, look for the Zoom icon or the Add a Zoom Meeting button in the toolbar. Click it, and if prompted, sign in to your Zoom account so the add-in can generate meeting details on your behalf. Instantly, you'll see the Zoom, join link, meeting ID, and other details added directly into the Outlook event. This means your invitees can join the call right from the calendar invite they receive. Before sending the invite, you can customize options by selecting settings within the Zoom add-in. This is where you choose preferences such as enabling a waiting room or requiring a passcode. It's a good idea to review these settings for sensitive or external meetings to control who can join and how they enter. When everything looks right, attendees, date and time zone and Zoom settings, click Send. Outlook will deliver the invite, and everyone will have the Zoom link embedded in the event. If your meeting details change later, you don't need to recreate anything. Open the event in Outlook, adjust the time, date, or recurrence as needed, then open the Zoom add-in panel and click Update to sync those changes to the Zoom meeting. This keeps the Zoom join details consistent and prevents duplicate links from being sent. If you decide a meeting no longer needs Zoom, open the event, remove the Zoom invitation text and the join link from the body of the invite, and send the updated event. That removes Zoom from the invite while keeping the Outlook event itself. And that's it. Install the add-in, add Zoom to your Outlook meetings, adjust options, and keep everything updated with a single click.